All right, let's start the challenge. First thing I'm going to do is going to create an Active Directory security group. And this is going to be my PCI Developers. And the member and the test user is going to be j.peterman. And he's a member. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Access Manager and I'm going to create a zone. That's my PCI zone, and that's it. Zone has been created. I'm going to review quickly the identity. I'm good with this, group defaults and identity defaults. The first thing I'm going to do is quickly UNIX-enable my user. So that's going to be j.peterman. And what I'll do is, this looks good to me, so I'm not going to do anything to it. Roles and rights, let's go ahead. Real quick, let's PAM access. We have SSH, SSD, that's okay. So we need to give this user service control for Apache. And that would be system CTL. In this case, it would be start pipe stop pipe restart httpd.service, and that's a regular expression. And we're gonna require authentication. The other one is gonna be elevate to MySQL, and that is su-MySQL. That's okay, and we're going to require authentication. Next one is going to be edit httpd config, and that is vi etc httpd, and that is conf httpd.conf, and I believe that's okay, and we're going to require authentication. Next one, let's just piggyback real quick. System services.msc. So this is a Windows one. So let's go ahead and add new application. This will be service control Windows. Match criteria. I'm going to import a process running in this machine, and that's the one. The one I'm looking is this one. And I'm okay with that, and we're going to run this as a local administrator. Next one, how we're doing 3 minutes, okay. Next one is going to be IIS reset, and this is going to be typed by hand. This is IIS reset, and it's IIS reset.exe, and it's under C Windows. Come on, don't go back on me now. Okay. Oh, come on. Now I have to wait for you. Alright, wait, you're back, okay. So C, Windows, System 32, okay. And that's alright, and we're gonna run that also as a local administrator. And finally, we're gonna do SQL Server. Let's go ahead and do something maybe here to accelerate it. That's Management Studio. And I know it's and let's do add import process. Here it is, and that's okay. We're gonna run this also as a local administrator. Alright, so I have all my rights. I'm gonna create the role, and this will be PCI role developer. and this is called functional, available all times, and it's going to have a password and non-password, non-restricted shell, and only allow remote login on Windows. So the role is created. Let's add the rights to it, and this is going to have SSH, SSHD, edit HTTP, this and this, and let's add this Windows stuff right here. Right. So now the role has been created. All we need to do is assign it. We're going to go ahead and assign it at the top level zone. It's going to apply to all computers. Not the best design, but this is a speed run, not a design session. And I'm going to do a group, and this is going to be my PCI Developers. And there you go. I've set up everything. I have my user Unix enabled. He's a member of that. Now I can go to the client. So let's go to Unix first. And I have the agent already here. Just to do a quick, let's do an AD check. And corp.contoso.com. Actually, just to make sure everything is fine. All the DNS, everything is fine. So what we can do on RPM minus IVH, and that will be Centrify, and that is DC-5 too, and that is going to be it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, in the meantime, I could just pull up this machine here and start connecting to a share. This app1 C dash, and let's get the agent installed here for Windows. So I'm going to use this MSI file. Okay. This access will be installed in here. And this one is done here. So let's join it to the zone. AD join -Z PCI -C will be OU equals servers, OU equals Unix, and this is -U Jerry Seinfeld -V, and then corp.contoso.com. Okay, you cannot resolve that. So let's do this in DNS real quick. Come on, DNS. And this will be record. And this is send2, and this is 10.0.0.155. And okay, let's see if this does it. All right, so I joined the zone. In here, let's see what's happening here. I'm going to configure this. Only a few seconds left. So I'm going to join the PCI zone. And no thanks for domain admins here. I'm done over here. This machine is going to reboot. But let's go ahead and take our... Oh, there you go. There's all our two computers are here. And there you go. I was able to set up the two machines, and they're ready to go. So we're gonna have a video to do the testing. So this is at 9:36, a couple of seconds.